Rump Chapter 23 continued. I was excited and confused. I had grown. Was it because I knew the rest of my name? That must be it. I was so happy at the thought, I almost forgot about everything else. The spinning, the gold, the rumple, and Opal's promise to me. Somehow the growth made me think other things had changed too. Maybe I wasn't as trapped anymore. That morning I ate 2 bowls of oatmeal, filling my belly to bursting. I could almost feel myself growing. I was halfway through the 3rd bowl when Ida spilled her gossip from the markets. The new queen is with child, she said excitedly. I choked on my oatmeal and coughed and spit it out. I hope he's not as big of an oaf as his father, grumbled Haddle. Who says it will be a boy? Asked Ida. Perhaps we shall have a little princess. My stomach clenched, and I pushed away from my oatmeal. My aunt's conversation faded from my ears, and a strange feeling came over me. Inside me, I felt little threads growing and spinning and knotting together, tangling me up and binding me tight. It was the rumple, my curse. The threads only stayed tangled tight inside me all day. My only hope was to keep myself hidden so I wouldn't find out when the baby was born. If I never heard of the baby being born, I might not need to take it. My aunts were far from the kingdom. They didn't get the little news, but they got the big news, and a royal baby was big news. There was no way I could avoid hearing of the baby's birth while in the company of other people. I would have to go, and go far away. I would have to live alone. It should have been a happy day. I had grown, but all I could think of was, I'm growing, and I'm growing crazy.